I just feel lost. I feel like I'm aimlessly wandering.
Hi guys, it's Bang here. It's good to see you all again. I hope you guys are doing very great. As you can see from the title, this one is gonna be a vlog. Yes, a vlog. Because I'm visiting my friend in Paris. He's currently studying over there. So I have a holiday, so I feel like, I think I can visit him. And we have known each other for like a solid 8 years, I would say, since we were in the primary school. We actually didn't plan this trip, like very random. I think it's pretty fun, so let's get into it.
And I'm tired of it. Like, I'm tired of that feeling. I'm tired of that feeling of, just staying in limbo. I'm tired of seeming like I'm not going anywhere, spinning my wheels.
Good afternoon, this is your captain speaking with just a little flight information. Coming up on the left, we're going to be catching a glimpse of the Grand Canyon. On the right, you can be able to see...
I think I almost forgot the best part.
Goddamn girl, you look amazing. Maybe we can drink it all the way. What you say, what you say, what you say. Pull me up another, let it go. Keep you and my brothers and it's alright. I just wanna love her for the whole night. Yeah, the whole night, whole night. Pull me up another, let it go right. Keep you and my brothers and it's alright. I just wanna love her for the whole night. Yeah, the whole night.
While I was struggling with this, I came across a quote and I wrote it down in my journal, and it said, "Memories are meant to fade. They are designed that way for a reason." Which is really sad, but it's kind of true, and I guess our job is to figure out which memories to keep and how to keep them. And I think I found a perfect solution to this. One thing that I learned about photography is that photos allow us to record life's greatest moments, so they can stay in our memories forever. As the famous Peter McKinnon once said, photography means something to me. What does it mean to you? 우리